Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a brow tutorial, a easy brow tutorial, and I'm gonna start off by using a pencil. I normally be using pomades for the longest time now, but I do like to go back to my trusted pencil. I'm using a L'Oreal pencil, and it's just like a medium brown pencil. Do not mind the dry hands, do not watch it, just block it out your vision. So I'm just outlining my brow with that pencil right now, and then I'm just gonna brush it out with my spoolie brush, and I'm using a Anastasia Beverly Hills spoolie brow wiz pencil. I finished the pencil bit of the brush, sorry, but I'm using the brush side just to blend everything together. But I really like this pencil by L'Oreal. They're really good. They're very pigmented and they're very cheap, so I like to stock up on these even though I don't use them that often. What I'm doing right now is just trying to darken the ends of my brow, and then I'm gonna use this spoolie right now to blend it all together and then create a halo effect at the front, just to have that like ombre halo effect. Do you know what I mean? If you know what I mean, comment below. But yeah, I'm just trying to blend it out so it doesn't look too fake and a little bit more natural at the front. And then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I really love using this brush, and the pencil bit was alright as well. Like, it's very defined and it's very pigmented. Anastasia products are very good, and I think I paid £15 for the brow wiz. But since it's finished, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my normal pencil, and yeah, it's looking good so far. Just trying to make sure it all blends together nicely. So if you guys want to write down all these details, I'm just going to show you guys now. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and this is the L'Oreal pencil. I'll put all the details below for you guys. So now I'm going in with the LA Pro Concealer in Fawn. This is one of my favorite ones. There's so many different types. I even like the yellow one that's used for like covering up spots and stuff like that, but I really like this one. I like honey beige, I like toffee, I like many of them, but fawn is what I'm going for today, and I'm just going to use that to outline and clean up any mistakes, create the shape that I want, and then I'm going to bring it across to try and make it even though you can't make your brows completely equal. You know, they're gonna be sisters, not twins. Maybe sometimes they'll be cousins, but yeah, you try your best. Sometimes we will get it right, sometimes we don't. But do not beat up yourself if it doesn't look like everybody else's, because everybody goes for a different shape. Not every day you want thin brows, not every day you want a thicker brow. You know, just go with what you feel like for the day. So now I'm just bringing it down a little bit just to see how even it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the top. So now this is where you choose if you want to have it straight or if you want to have it curved. Everybody has different preferences. It's just up to you, what you like, your face shape and all of that. I tend to go for a slightly arched brow sometimes, and I do it at the end first, at the tail, and then I carry it forward towards the front. And as you guys can see, I'm not using a brow pencil, a brow brush. I'm just using the brush that comes on the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then I'm gonna go in and just carry across my forehead. Yes, I've got a 5 head, but yeah, I'm just gonna conceal that a little bit. I don't use too much of this concealer. I'm just gonna clean it up, and then that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try out this easy tutorial. Let me know if it helped you in any sort of way. All you need is 3 products. You need concealer, a pencil, and a spoolie brush just to blend everything all out, and that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you'd like to see me do any makeup tutorials or any other brow tutorials, please comment down below and I'll be sure to help you. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit more, and then that'll be it. That's the finished look. Thank you for watching.